Okay, just a quick one then. This is to show you how to download the spreadsheet if you're wanting to get it into, say, Excel. The spreadsheet was made in Google Sheets, and if you want to make a copy of the spreadsheet for Google Sheets, that's video 1. This is video 2. So when you've landed on the post about the used dirt bike buyer's guide with checklist, that, by the way, is found at projectdirtbike.com. You're going to scroll straight down to the bottom, and you're going to see this section here which tells you about getting yourself a copy of the check sheet. Under video 2, you're simply going to click the download link, and by clicking the download link you're going to come straight to a copy which is going to be a view only format. So to make your download, you're just going to click on the file, and the only option available is to download. Everything else is grayed out. Hover over that and you can download it in a format which is good for you. Most likely it's going to be the top one, Microsoft Excel. Download that, save it to your hard drive, and then just open it up in Excel and you should be good to go. The only thing I will say is I can't guarantee that the formatting when it reopens in Excel is going to be the same as the way that I've done it in Google Sheets, because sometimes it throws it out, but I'm sure you'll work out how to readapt that if you need to.